Hello and hi. My name is Muhd.Shuzrian and my matrix number is 07DLS20F2066. Private warehouses. These are owned and managed by the channel suppliers, manufacturers, traders, and resellers and are used exclusively for their own distribution activities.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhd.Shuzrian bin Sakaran, matric number 07DLS20F2015, and this is our design and layout for our warehouse. The types of warehouse building of this warehouse is bulk distribution warehouse. This building typically have 5 to 10% of the overall square footage dedicated to office area, with the rest dedicated to warehouse space. They also have lower parking ratios than other types of industrial buildings because they usually fewer employees working in these spaces and little or no customer traffic. Location is a key factor for logistic and distribution companies when choosing a building because most of their business done through truck transportation. Because of this, these buildings are usually located on or near major interstate and thoroughfares in order to make it easily accessible for 18-wheelers or allow for direct connection to another major cities.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Akil bin Muhammad Adir. My number matrix is 07DLS20F2032. In this video, they got 5 safety and security in this warehouse. So the first one is forklift. Forklift are one of the most common tool used in warehouse and can also be one of the most dangerous. Malfunction or improper use can lead to injury or even death. Second one is signage. Signage is one of the most critical aspect of warehouse safety and one of the easiest to implement. The expensive space and high shelving of warehouse can make it challenging to see improperly posted signs. After that is creating safety culture. Everyone in the warehouse should be well versed in proper safety procedure. Workers should go awareness training if they are licensed or permitted to use equipment like forklift. The next one is EHS software. Collecting and analyzing data through EHS software can provide actionable insight into how to improve employee safety. Lastly is physical perimeter security. The warehouse should protect any entry point with systems like CCTV and alarms.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Amil bin Omar Amin, code matrix 07DLS20F2081. Today I would like to talk about function of area. Number 1, receiving area. Receiving area is one of the zones in magazine dedicated to technical and operational activities relating to the receiving of materials and goods. Number 2, pallet reserve area. The reserve storage area stocks the buffer inventory and facilities the replenishment of inventory in the active pick area. Number 3, picking area. Warehouse picking refer to the process where individual items are picked up from fulfillment facility to satisfy customer order. Number 4, loading and unloading area. Loading and unloading area means the process of getting goods and equipment in and out of the stallholder vehicles and setting up or taking down the stall or pitch. Number 5, storage area. The warehouse shipping process is simple. The customer places an order, the warehouse management system generates a pick order, and a warehouseman follows the pick order, pulls the items needed from inventory and brings them all to packing. Number 6, shipping area. Shipping area means a location that includes any area where cargo and or small packages and package will up stored and ready for pickup by an operator. And last is office. The main purpose of the official environment is to support its residents in the execution of work with the lowest possible cost and the highest possible level of certification. Next, about storage method. Number 1 is pallet racking. Racking is the most basic method employed in a warehouse. This technique involves the utilization of pallet racks that can be single or multi-level. Pallet racks are the most fundamental component of warehouses used for high stacking of palletized goods. Various benefits of pallet racking at your warehouse are: pallet racking optimizes inventory storage at your warehouse by allowing you to exploit the vertical space, hence increasing storage efficiency and storage density. Number 2, new generation pallet racking system are equipped with slant back support frames, especially in driving in storage system. This very trait ensures the safety of goods from damage and loss. Number 3, racking systems are generally expandable, and as a business, when your inventory grows, you can accordingly adjust the pallet racking system. Next, number 2, single stacking. Single stacking is the most commonly practiced method in warehouse for storage mechanisms due to its low setup cost and flexibility. In this method, pallets are stored and handled directly in the floor space instead of specialized storage equipment. A single stack usually serves to store high-value items. Single stacking is one of the oldest forms of storage of high-value items and involves only one row in pallets or carton covering a flat surface. Lastly, double stacking or block stacking. Multiple stacks or block stacks work on the use of the vertical space available after the first layer of stacking, although the height that can be stacked entirely depends on the material held by each block. Various factors occur when planning to implement block stacking and at warehouse facilities, such as breath length, load wear, load stability, pallet condition, safety factor, weather condition, and allowable clearance height, and important stone components that need to be studied before determining the stack level for your goods.
The next one is welfare factor. They got 4 welfare factor in this warehouse. So the first one is toilet. Toilet must be kept in clean and orderly condition. The next one is restroom. The restroom must be equipped with number of table and chair. It should include suitable arrangement to ensure that meals can be prepared and eaten. After that is lunch. The lunch must be provided so the workers or client can relax or waiting the person. Last but not least is prayer room. Prayer room must be provided so the Muslim workers can pray in the right time and without interruption.
Material handling. First, conveyor system. A conveyor system is a common piece of mechanical handling equipment that moves material from one location to another. Conveyor system allow quick and efficient transport for a wide variety of material, which make them very popular in the material handling and packaging industry. Forklift. Second, forklift. Forklifts are mainly used for loading and unloading truck. For carrying goods, there are extensive range of forklift available, which include pedestrian operated machine to heavy duty driver operate the truck. Number 3, double deep pallet rack. Double deep pallet racking is a storage system that is halfway between adjustable pallet racking system and compact storage system. In double deep pallet racking, the unique load are stored mechanically by forklift that move along as arranged in parallel to the racking system. Number 4, a pallet jack. A pallet jack is the most basic form of forklift and is intended to move pallet in a warehouse of trailer. Pallet jack are some of the most essential tools found in warehouse and are used for transporting small load for short distance. And number 5, pallet lifter. Use cross balance support to move up and down The mechanism is used to move the lift up and down depends on the way it's powered. Thank you.